So you're live streaming using the free software OBS, like thousands of other ministry leaders. And maybe you're wishing you could stream the audio portion only to your phone live streaming account at the same time using OBS. Well, you can. Phone live streaming automatically calls the elderly and connects them to your live stream with a traditional telephone, and we're the solution for nearly 600 ministries across the U.S. and Canada. And today, I'm going to make life a lot simpler for all you OBS users. Alright, to accomplish this, we're going to need one bit of information from your dashboard, and then we're going to need to put that information into your OBS player. So, first off, go to phonelivestreaming.com, click on Login. At this point, I'm already logged in, so you'll be able to see what the dashboard looks like. But if I weren't logged in, you would see a place to put in your phone live streaming phone number and your 4-digit PIN number. And if you somehow forgot that, there's a place where you could click that and say, text me my information. So we've covered that in another video. So for right now, we're here at our dashboard. You might, if it's the first time you've been here, you might not see the menu items on the left, and you just click on the three little lines here. In the web world, that's known as the sandwich or the hamburger. I think that's kind of silly, but anyway, there are all your options. Now, the very top feature is RTMP settings. So we're going to click that, and you will see this is my server. This is everybody's server or host name, and this is my customized individual stream name or key. And I'm blurring it out there so you can't jump on mine. We need both of those bits of information. So I'm going to highlight the top line, Control C on a PC, Option C on a Mac. And I'm going to run over to a Word document or any place where you could copy and paste some stuff. And I'm going to paste that. Now look, I'm going to leave that exactly like it is. I'm not going to put any spaces or hit return or anything like that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab my stream name or key, Control C, go back to that same document, and Control V and paste that in. Now you have one very long URL, and you're going to need that in just a minute. So we're pretty much done with our dashboard at this point. Let's get rid of that. So let's go now to OBS. Here's the OBS interface. The page, as soon as you open, it's pretty blank. If you don't know what you're doing, I'm sure you do though. Go over here to File, select Settings. Then go down to Output, third option down. Now output mode is set to simple. Let's change that to advanced. Click here on the second tab, which is recording. The type of recording, change that from standard to FFmpeg. You'll see other options pop up. Now the next line down says output to file, or if you click on that, you get the option to output to URL. That's where the magic happens. You can simply go back to Word, gather this entire URL, copy it, go back to OBS, paste it right here, Control V, there it is. Now just one more thing to tweak. You'll see after you put in that URL, the next line down says container format. Don't leave it at default, change it to FLV. And the rest of this is just fine. Hit apply and hit OK. That's all there is to it. Now when you initiate your broadcast in OBS, it will simultaneously send your video wherever you're sending your video, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, and the audio portion will simply go to the phone live streaming account using the RTMP settings as soon as you click the Go Live button inside OBS. I hope that helps all you OBS users out there, and if you haven't become a phone live streaming customer yet, consider those faithful members of your congregation. Don't leave them out another week. Sign up before another Sunday passes. Visit phonelivestreaming.com and click Create My Phone Number in the upper right-hand corner of the page right now.